Africa Content TV.
The governor is also here with his wife. These two great women will be receiving awards here today. And so, Your Excellencies, you are welcome.
aláṣeyọrí nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ Seyi Makinde wọ́n ti dé o ẹ̀sìn mọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìṣe wọn bí wọ́n bá dé báwọn wọ́n máa kí àwọn àgbààgbà wọ́n á kí wọn àsọ pé torí pé àwọn jẹ́ gómìnà wọ́n wá máa ga ọwọ́ rárá wọ́n kí àwọn tọ́tọ́ sí. Ibadan. Excellency, Chief Mrs. Ajibola Lawal. A round of applause for her, please. Your Excellency, seated to your right is the 43rd Olubadan of Ibadan land. His Imperial Majesty, Owolabi Olakulehin, Olakulehin the first, here ably represented by Senior Chief Muibi Ademola Adewi, the Ashaji of Ibadan land. Ashaji Olubadan kí yẹ dábẹ́ ṣe kábíyèsí o. Your Excellency, we are also here today. One of the former governor of your state, Her Excellency, Chief Mrs. Alhaja Mutiat Olayinka Ladoja. You are welcome, ma. We have a former Deputy Governor also here in your state, His Excellency, Barrister Azim Bolarumi. Your Excellency, the Chief Judge of your state, Honorable Justice I.S. Yerima, is here ably represented by Honorable Justice A.L. Akintola. You're welcome, Your Lordship. I want to specially recognize the members of the Oyo State House of Assembly here present. Honorable members, wherever you are, we appreciate you. Thank you for coming. The President Secretariat General of the Central Council of Ibadan Indigenes, Chief Sulaiman Ajeni Adewale, you are most welcome, sir. And I want to use it to recognize members of the Central Planning Committee. You are most welcome. Your Excellency, the chairman of today's occasion is the chairman of Impact Group, owners of the Metropolitan Broadcasting Service, Impact Business Radio, and Impact Africa Television. Owolabi Oladejo, you're most welcome, sir. He's here with his lovely wife, Thickness Oladejo. You are most welcome, sir. Ma'am and sir. Your Excellency, from the cabinet of the Oyo State government, you are the Secretary to the State government, Professor Olanike Adeyemo. You're welcome, Your Honor. The head of service is also here, Mrs. Solukumi Oniyemenai. The Deputy Chief of Staff is also the Honorable Fola Oyekule. You're welcome, Your Honor. I'd like to recognize all honorable commissioners here present. Chairman and co-chair of the Elders Council, I can see former Chief of Staff here in Oyo State, Dr. Saka Balogun. You are welcome, sir. I want to use him to recognize other members of the Elders Council, Chief Nureni Akabi, Boki Dada, Chief Sunday Okunade, Baba Oloye Jacob Adekoro, Boki Ina Dada. I also want to recognize other members of the State Advisory Council led by Chief Bolaji Ayorinde. You're most welcome. The Are Musulumi of Olubadan, Edo Delta, and other places where they speak Yoruba is here represented. Alhaji Dawood Makinkola Akin Alhaji Dama, the Secretary of the PDP here in Oyo State, PDP. Alhaji Wasiu Adeleke and other state experts, you're welcome. The newly returned Alvan Chairman, Honorable Sikiru Sada. I can see him seated somewhere in front. Chairman, Egbeda Local Government, and all local government chairmen here present, you are most welcome. Your Excellency, I'd like to especially recognize our religious leaders, our fathers here present, the representative of the Chief Imam of Ibadan land, in person of Mogaji Ismail, Abalagis Okinyo, Prelate Emeritus, Abba Sunday Makinde, the Clan Chairman of your state, Apostle Colonel Joshua Akiyemi is here, retired. I appreciate you. From the Sheshe, Arabaile Ibadan, Atibogo, Osemeki Club, Akiyi Dada. I would like to recognize all other distinguished and eminent personalities while I hand over to Alhaji Kule Unai to recognize our royal fathers here present.
Dayo. Kéèyàn bá ti ń bọ́ lórí rẹ̀ yọ̀ kéèyàn náà mọ̀ ọmọ bórí rẹ̀ òjìnà sóhun. Ààrẹ ẹsẹ̀ méjì mo dúró, ọkàn gómìnà ni mo wò. Èmi náà ń gbòòrò nìyẹn. Kọ́lọ̀ wọn ṣàánú mi. Adúpẹ́ láti bẹ̀ lọ. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ kí the PA to His Imperial Majesty àwọn bàbá kábíyèsí Olúbàdàn of Ibadan land. Táwọn náà wà ń bí Prince Adékúnlé Owólabí Ọlákùlẹ́yìn. Ẹ káàbọ̀. Nílẹ̀ Ìbàdàn, àwọn kan ni wọ́n jẹ́ kí ọjọ́ òní ọmọ ọdún kí gbogbo ọmọ kan sí i. Tẹ́ ẹ bá ń gbọ́ Ògùn òkó wárí, Ògùn òkó wárí, ọmọ Ìbàdàn yìí ṣerú ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan Ògùn òkó wárí nìbàdàn. Àwọn ìdílé jagunjagun nílẹ̀ Ìbàdàn, àwọn ni wọ́n jẹ́ kó mọ̀ rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Torí náà gbogbo àwọn ìdílé jagunjagun nílẹ̀ Ìbàdàn. Your Excellency sir, a kí wọn láti orí Máyọ̀lóyè Bánkẹ́fà, Olúyẹ̀dé Àfọ̀njá, Lákanlẹ̀, Báṣọ̀run Olúyọ̀lé, Balógun Ọdẹ́rìnlọ, Baálẹ̀ Ọ̀pẹ́ Àgbẹ̀ Ọmọlólú, Olúkòdo Oyèsílé, Balógun Ìbíkúnlé, Báṣọ̀run Ògúnmọ́lá, Olókòdo Kẹ̀rí, Balógun Akéré, Òròwùs, Ààrẹ Ládòósà, Balógun Àjàyí Ọ̀ṣungbẹ́kún, Balógun Bánkọ́lé Alẹ́ṣinlọ́yẹ́, Ọ̀ṣun Dínà, Ọ̀ṣun Tókí, Babalọ́lá Fìjàbí, Arúlógún bí èéfín apáta láìláì, Àjíà Àbáyọ̀mí, Báṣọ̀run Yéròmbí, àti gbogbo àwọn ìdílé jagunjagun yòókù. A mọ rírì gbogbo wọn o. Bákan náà, a kí gbogbo àwọn ọba lọ́la nílẹ̀ Ìbàdàn lẹ́yìn tá a ti kí àwọn orí adé. Ìyẹn ni ìjókòó àwọn mọ́gàjí nílẹ̀ Ìbàdàn. A fi orúkọ ààrẹ wọn, Mọ́gàjí Aríọrí Àsìmíyù Lókè Àdó. A fi kí gbogbo mọ́gàjí látòkè délẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni ti àwọn baálẹ̀ nílẹ̀ Ìbàdàn. àwọn baálẹ̀ ìjẹ̀báyé a fi orúkọ ti baálẹ̀ fọlọ́runṣọ́ dúró jayé ìgbè a fi kàn sí gbogbo wọn pátápátá ẹ wá